We're going to cover an exercise called stirring the pot today. It's a really good core exercise, and unlike some exercises like the plank, which is actually really good for positional teaching, it gives your core a little bit of work to do. Now, if you do lots of planks, what's going to happen is you're just going to teach your core how to be really good at doing lots of planks. So as well as putting a little bit of instability into the core to make it work that little bit harder, it also adds a little bit of controlled movement into our shoulder girdle for us. So how we achieve this is by using a Swiss ball and stand with our feet about shoulder width apart, and then have your elbows on the Swiss ball. From there, you're going to start with small circles until you get used to the movement. And you're going to go clockwise and then anti-clockwise. The idea is to work the core with that little bit of instability, but maintain a good posterior tilt and engaged position. So as I say, it's a simple exercise to do, it's a simple exercise to try. Give it a go, see how it feels, and then you can always just play with it and adapt it a little bit more. So it doesn't have to be circles on the Swiss ball, you can actually just move side to side, almost like a mini Russian twist. So there's loads of options, just have a play.